What is going on, everybody? This is the Music Man Tutorials here. Today, got first episode here, video, whatever you want to call it. Today, I'm going to be telling you guys what is live, Ableton Live, you know? That's what this channel's about, and want to see what it is. So, Ableton Live is one of the most, or popular, it's popular there for a, music developing, music creating, music creating software. It's super easy to use. Well, if like me, I know how to use it. It's super easy to use for me. But really, if you just want to start making songs with it, I mean, it's the best. I have this. I got this version of Ableton Live for free with the launchpad I have. You get Ableton Live 9 Lite for free. And yes, I know if they've released Ableton Live, it's like, oh, why don't you have Live 10? Well, it's because it costs. But whatever, you know. So anyways, let me just get you started on what Live is. So this is what's it called? This would be really cool if you guys were working with a launchpad. Yes, would be pretty nice. You would insert your clips into here, and then you would play them on the launchpad. But at the minute, I don't have my launchpad connected right now, so that's okay. So what I can do is, if you guys want to record voice, you just simply hit tab, or you'll hit this little button here. You choose, and then you have your MIDI tracks here, and you have 2 audio tracks. So if you want to start recording voice, simply choose, make sure it's an external in, depends what your microphone you're using. You want to go to 1.5 mono, I'm not sure what it's called. And then if you want to hear yourself, you hit in, you'll be able to hear yourself. Hear yourself. But if you just don't want to hear yourself, you can just hit auto, and I don't think you hear yourself. But anyways, then you're pretty much ready to record. So hit prep for recording. Then hit the record button. Sound. Then you have that out. Right now my mic doesn't pick up as well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm simply just gonna go to audio effects, double click on utility, or drag it into the track, and just up the gain. And then now, if I play, oh, now I can hear myself. Sound. Yeah. So now, I'm hearing double voices. So now, I can hear myself if the gain is up. Just a little lower that, so I don't have any interference. But, you know, then you have this, and then if you want, you can choose one of Ableton's nice samples, like so, for example, if you were putting them into a launchpad, what you can do. What else you have here is you have the clips, which is like drum clips, or you know, or like pre-made sounds. So you can upload that into your second track, and you can make limited amount of 8 tracks in Live 9. But what I would do, I keep 2 MIDI, 2 audio, 4, because this is 4 audio. I keep 2 MIDI, 2 audio tracks, and that's how I make my songs. If not, I make more. If I have instrumental here, if I have the drums here, if I have the regular beat here, and this is my voice. But you know, different tracks for different things. And like here, I think this one right here is my favorite one. Yep, that one right there. It's either that one or it's definitely not that. Okay, it's not that. This one. This one is a very hard thing because it's in the key of G. So let's make a little this point in the video, I thought, well, I forgot how to crop, which is pretty sad. That's why I wanted to insert this bleep here. So I finally have managed to get that at the length I want. So now, get rid of this. Then, hit record. I don't wanna be your lover. I just wanna be your friend. Obviously you can tell those are not my good audio skills, but whatever. So if you listen to it, I don't wanna be your lover. I just wanna be your friend. And more to Ableton now. As you can see, you have everything here: audio, packs, playing software instruments, creating beats. It's very, very simple once you get to know it. I, for one, haven't really got to know it that much, but I've known the basics. So, yeah. So, if you have a Launchpad, what you can do is you can just head to, MIDI effects, plop in the, okay, so what I meant to say is you can search for drum rack, double click that will go into the MIDI track, and you can put your samples in there, and that will allow you to play whatever's on the Launchpad. But right now I can just go ahead, all ins, choose my computer keyboard. You can see here where the yellow is, it's where I'm typing. It's where I'm hitting the keyboard. Yeah, wherever you see like the yellow or the play button signs mean. So if I put an instrument into it, go to instruments, instrument rack. Let's just do synth lead. I hate this one, but whatever. Yeah, right now I'm just pressing random keys. They sound nice. Yeah. Random keys. But, yeah, regardless of that, that's kind of all of Ableton. And then you would obviously add plugins here. I tried downloading. For some reason, it doesn't want to work. Maybe because I have live. But, if not... yeah, if not, you can also load into drum kicks and you can play them on your now you've loaded in the drums into the I don't know, drum rack or whatever. But now I should be able to play it if it's in the right place. Okay, so I played around with this, and I can't seem to get these drum racks because they're just out of the keyboard range. But regardless of that, whatever. So that's pretty much all you have, and then also prepare anything for recording as well. But that's pretty much all we have in this Ableton live session. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, like. Hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. I'll see you in the next episode of Ableton Tutorials. I don't wanna be